All right, so on that Christmas wall, I have to decide what I'm going to use. I didn't know if I should use this mold for decoration or if I should use my snowflake cutter like this. So let me take this out. It's from ABC Molds in England, but they're available here. And I can do that, or the snowflake. I think I'm actually going to use this. So I think I will do it in, I think I'm going to do dark green and then highlight these in gold. Okay? And if I don't like that, then I'll do it in red, but I don't think I want red on that. So you just take this and then pop it in here and spread it on out. And I like it flat with the top of this. You can use your rolling pin. And then I'll tuck all that back in. And we'll see if I need to put this in the freezer or not. See how I've bend that back and flex it on out? Ta-da! Okay. So this would go right about here. Just take a little water. And then we will take the gold paint. I think I'm just going to brush all over it, but lightly, to keep that dark green kind of coming through. Kind of gives it an antique-y kind of look. Okay, cool. All right, so the next things here, I have these little musical instruments, and these were made with this mold right here. Okay, so you just push that in, and I actually put this in the freezer so that it would firm up, and then you have your pieces here, and you would just paint these like so. Okay, I have some here that are already painted, and these we're going to go on the drum. It's all about the music, so I will put a little bit of water. I might need to use some icing, we'll see. Okay, and I'll just finish this off. Okay, for the bow loops, I actually used some gum paste. So I have gum paste here, and I'll just show you a couple of them. So I did those yesterday. And I need my rolling pin. Okay, so you just want to roll this out. Obviously a bigger piece to do more. Like that. Make sure it's kind of even. And I use this to make it quick again. So they're about 1/2 inch strips. Like that. And then cut the top. Okay, so these pieces I won't be using. Take a strip like this. If you can't pick it up, then go under it like that with the spatula to get that up. Bring the two pieces together like so and twist them together. And then I just lay them on their sides like that until they dry. Another thing you can do is some are on toothpicks. So to do that, I twisted it first, and then I took my toothpick, which that's a skewer, but I'll just use it anyway. And then I pushed it inside and then came back. And then let those dry. Okay? Once those dried, then what I did is go ahead and paint with the dust again, the gold, and use the hologram gold dust to just sprinkle on, just like that. when they're wet. And voila, you have gold pieces. Okay, now for the bows are going to go kind of in here, here, here. What I want to do here is actually kind of tie the bow in with this. So I'm actually going to put a strip of the gold down here, but I'm not going to use the gum paste because I don't need to. And I actually want it to be the same color as this green here. Okay, let me get that. And I'll show you what I'm talking about.